Hi, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you a couple of extra bits that I've made for my wizard's laboratory in my haunted house. I showed you a couple of bits over the last couple of days, and these are a couple more bits. These are the last bits I'm going to be showing you, and the next thing I'm going to be showing you is the whole haunted house finished. So first of all, we'll start with this little table here. This little table I 3D printed, and then I painted it black. On top I've just got two little books here, one potions, one spells. These books I made just with a little bit of no it wasn't, it was balsa wood. Little bit of balsa wood I cut out, and then I covered it with paper so it looks like a book, and I wrote spells on that one and potions on that one, and I think they don't look too bad. They look a bit like books. The rest of it is just bits and pieces what I've had lying around. I do like to reuse and recycle as much as possible. This little bottle here, that was actually from a packet of sushi, believe it or not, and that was the wasabi sauce, not the wasabi sauce, what is it, the oyster sauce? I don't know. Anyway, add the little sauce bottle in there, and that's what I used for that. And these are just caps off of different bits and pieces that I've had lying around. This little jar here I 3D printed, and inside I put a little drop of acrylic paint in there just to make it look like it's got something, and I just got a little stick of wood there as a stirrer and some glitter about. So the little cobwebs here, I've actually pulled apart some pillow stuffing, and that makes some really good cobwebs. So that's the little table that I've made there. Quite pleased with that. The next thing I made, I 3D printed off a coffin, and whether you can see that, and then I painted it black, and I painted the handles gold. So that was the coffin, and I thought, well, I don't really want a coffin, so I decided to put some shelves in it and make a shelving unit out of it. I cut up some balsa wood to fit in. I just glued them in as shelves, and oh, I've got it upside down. That's a good start, isn't it? And then I made some more books to go on here, as you can see. Hung a bit of I suppose they're herbs. Well, it's just a bit of moss. I mean, you can pick up anything from out the garden. And me recycled cap tops and bits and pieces. I actually made a little rat there. I don't know whether you can see him. I made him out of polymer clay there, and a few more jars that I 3D printed, and I think it's turned out quite well. These jars here I did buy, but the rest of it is all made. So yeah, I thought that was quite a good idea, and that'll stand in my wizard's laboratory in my haunted house, and I think it will look quite nice with everything else. So thanks for joining me and letting me show you these couple of things. I hope you like them, and the next bit will be you seeing my haunted house. So hope you join me for that. Please subscribe and press that like button, and join me for the next episode. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.